For us living abroad, the only thing that we can do is spread the word of what is happening in Venezuela. You could see now people being kidnapped in front of your noses, or while you are in a traffic jam in Caracas. You can see that people is being kidnapped, or they are robbing you, or just in your way to work. This is why I believe that now is a light in the tunnel, because Guaido is doing small steps to get to the point when we had a Venezuelan 20 years ago. My mom and my brother, they moved to Ireland almost 2 years ago now. My sister, she left the country, living now in another country, in Latin American country. All my cousins, they are as well abroad, either in Ecuador, Chile, around the whole Latin American globe. Venezuelans living in Venezuela, we are losing a little bit that humanity, immediate reaction. And we don't have much support from the internal Venezuelan press. So all the Venezuelans are being now have this immediate sense of reporters. They have the ones that are able to have a phone with a camera. They have to take the phones out and record what is happening. People is being murdered in front of your noses, in front of your house by the police. And I believe not just us, Venezuelan living in Ireland, Venezuelan living abroad, any single country. Your body is here in Ireland. Your mind is in Venezuela 24/7, checking your social media, talking with your family as much as you can, worrying that maybe someday you will call them and they won't pick up the phone because you won't know what happened.
My parents are still in Venezuela, in my hometown. We don't think it's a good idea for them to leave because it's difficult to start a new life with 60 years old abroad. So we believe that it's better to support them through remittances, as many people are doing now. But unfortunately, not everyone has someone abroad to support them. But I will say about 20 or 30% of the population has someone abroad. And those are the ones who are surviving, thanks to the remittances. Well, I actually went to Venezuela in June 2016. I used to work in the Central Bank of Venezuela, a very militarized area in Caracas. And when I went back there, I could see a lot of people eating for the garbage, something that it was very impressive for me, just right in front of the presidential house. Well, we have to remember that Guaido is just an interim president, according to following the constitutional order or the constitution. So he's just there as a part of a procedure that eventually will become in free and democratic elections, and we'll have a candidate for that. We just want to see a government that respects the constitutional guarantees, the human rights, and people's right to protest. I want to raise my kid in my country, so it'll be very good to be there and to see the country that we always dream of, that we ever had, be back.